Good evening, parents and students. I want to thank everyone for being here tonight. I am Mr. Penton, the principal at South Miami Senior High. We again are having a very unique school year, so I thank everyone, parents and students. I thank you for your cooperation, your flexibility. I certainly thank you for participating tonight. I want to take a second as well. I want to thank my teachers and my staff for their perseverance, not only during the 2021 school year, but again now in 2022. So tonight is open house, and I just want to share a few important reminders. Open house allows the parents and the teachers to have a more personal experience with each other, and it allows for a better understanding of what your child may experience on a day-to-day basis. You'll be able to visit all of your child's classes, just as they move around the building each day. Nevertheless, please remember that it is impossible for teachers to have a personal conversation with each parent tonight. The teacher tonight will share general class outlines, objectives, and expectations. You may want to have a more detailed conversation with teachers, but understand that time tonight may not allow it. If you want to have a personal conference with one of your child's teachers, please request a conference with that teacher today, or agree to communicate via phone or email. I ask you to please also continue instilling these reminders to your children for success each day. It is important for students to be present and on time each day. Attendance is very important. To be prepared for class with required materials as requested by the teacher. The uniform policy has been explained to students, and we need them in school uniform each day. You can go to our website to see details on our school uniform. You may also see our activities director, Mr. Lavandera, who has and can sell you and your child school gear to stay within the school uniform. Behavior and respect for others has always been important. Please remind your child to demand as well as express respect for others, students and staff alike. And lastly, please know that you and your child can always reach out to an adult at school for guidance and assistance. I suggest that you view our school website and look at our staff directory. On there, you'll be able to find an email to reach out to an administrator, a counselor, or any of your child's teachers. Do not hesitate to reach out to either request an appointment or to possibly have a conversation via email or phone. I thank you again for trusting us with your children, and I thank you for participating tonight. I wish you and your child a successful 2021-22 school year.